Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the Wix Ecommerce Store Manager. This is a key tool for managing your products, orders, and customers, all in one place. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, to access the e-commerce store manager, all you need to do is click on Sales. From there, we can go to Analytics and Store. Here, we can see all the sales, quantities, views, and conversions. We can use this section to get a clear sales overview of our e-commerce store. Under the Catalog section, we can find our store products. Click on Products to view everything listed. From here, we can edit any product simply by clicking on it. We can update the price, change the quantities, and update the stock. We can also manage inventory directly from here. We can see all products and their categories. We can also organize products into categories and set up discounts in our store. Just configure the sales and catalog settings so we can manage everything smoothly through Wix Ecommerce. And that's how we use the Wix Ecommerce Store Manager. With this tool, we can run our online store efficiently and keep everything organized.